Just one look at you,
Just one look at you,
and I know it's gonna be
it's gonna be, it's gonna be
a lovely day.
lovely day, lovely day, a lovely day, lovely day, a lovely day, lovely day, a lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, a lovely day, lovely day, a lovely day, lovely day, a lovely day.
The day that lies ahead of me seems impossible to take. Someone else instead of me always seems to know the way. Then I look at you,
Then I look at you,
and the world's all right with me. Just one look at you,
just one look at you,
and I know it's gonna be,
it's gonna be, it's gonna be
a lovely
a
day.
lovely day, a 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 lovely day, lovely day, a lovely day, a lovely day, a lovely day.
The day that lies ahead of me seems impossible to take. Someone else instead of me.
In a much more relaxed time frame, but I understand, time is what it is, and so we'll do the best we can with what we've got. I'm Hallie Temez, and I work for the Philanthropic Initiative, those of you that don't know me. And basically, I'm here on behalf of the CBS Charitable Trust, which has been supporting an innovations grant here at Duke Ellington for this is your third year. We are the consulting and management organization that is contracted by the CBS Charitable Trust to design, oversee, and manage their grants programs. Okay, that's sort of clear. And just so you understand also, I have 15-year history as a teacher in a classroom, in schools, so that I also am well versed in the world of schools. So nothing that goes on in schools is the least bit shocking or of concern to me. So don't be concerned when things happen or kids act up or whatever goes on in schools. It's all a world that I'm very aware of.